Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change your VW Passat wiper blades. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked with the engine off. To begin, you'll need to put your wiper arms into their service position. This prevents them from hitting the hood or windshield during the process. Remember to place a soft cloth or cardboard on the windshield as a precaution. Now that your wipers are in service mode and the windshield is protected, it's time to remove the old blades. Carefully lift each wiper arm away from the glass until it stands upright. You'll find a small locking tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this firmly. Then, slide the old blade straight off the arm. Repeat this for both sides. With the old blades removed, let's install the new ones. Make sure you have the correct size and type for your VW Passat. Carefully slide the new wiper blade onto the arm's connector. You should hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Avoid touching the rubber edge of the new blade to maintain its effectiveness. Once attached, gently lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. You're almost done. To return the wipers to their normal position, simply turn your vehicle's ignition on and briefly push the wiper stalk downward. Now, it's crucial to test your new blades. Activate them on your windshield to ensure they operate smoothly, clear water efficiently, and don't make any unusual noises. Replacing your blades annually helps maintain clear visibility and safety.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.